Hi everyone, this lesson is going to help us to understand the 4 times tables. Okay, so let's get started. To help you to understand this topic, you might like to get these things. You're going to need something to count with, so you could get 40 buttons, or you could get 40 lollipop sticks, or you could get 40 counters, whatever you've got, to help you to count. In this lesson, we're going to use counters. Pause the video, get your 40 counters, and then press play when you are ready. Okay, so there are 2 ways of saying our multiplication tables. Let's take, for example, this sum here, 5 times 4. Well, we can either say 5 multiplied by 4, or we can say 5 fours. But first of all, we're going to look at 5 multiplied by 4. What I'd like you to do is take out 20 counters and double check you've got the 20. And what we're going to do is we're going to make 1 group of 5, 2 groups of 5, 3 groups of 5, and finally our 4th group of 5. Here we've got 4 groups of 5, or 5 multiplied by 4. We can write this with a 5 and an X for the multiplication symbol, which means multiplied by, and then equals 20. 5 times 4 is 20. Pause the video, get your 20 counters out, and see if you can make 4 groups with 5 in each group, just like this. Then press play when you're ready to continue. Well done. Now, leave these where they are, and we're going to do the other way underneath it. The other way of understanding multiplication is by saying 5 fours. So if we get our 20 counters, we can make 1 group of 4, another group of 4, here's a 3rd group of 4, a 4th group of 4, and here's our 5 groups of 4. Here we've got 5 groups of 4, or 5 fours. We can also write this with a 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20, just like in the example above. Press pause and use your other 20 counters now to make the 5 groups of 4. Press play when you are ready to continue. Great work! So here we can see that 5 multiplied by 4 and 5 fours are the very same thing, just a different way of saying it. And that's the 2 ways we can say the multiplication tables. Now let's look at the 4 times tables. There are 2 ways of saying our multiplication tables. The 4s can be in the middle, or the 4s can be on the left-hand side. But we're going to use the one with the 4s in the middle. Say these along with me to help you to learn them. Our first one is 1 times 4 is equal to 4. Can you say that with me? 1 times 4 is equal to 4. Or we can say 1 4 is equal to 4. Here we've got 2 times 4 is equal to 8. We can also say 2 fours are equal to 8. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Or 3 fours are equal to 12. 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Or we can say 4 fours are 16. Now try and say this along with me. 5 times 4 is equal to 20. And we've got 5 fours are equal to 20. It's the same thing. 6 times 4 is equal to 24. Or 6 fours are equal to 24. 7 times 4 is equal to 28. And 7 fours are equal to 28. Here we've got 8, and there's 4 of them. So 8 times 4 is equal to 32. And then we've got 8 fours is equal to 32. 9 times 4 is equal to 36. And 9 fours are equal to 36. Now 10, there's 4 of them. 10 times 4 is equal to 40. But 10 fours are also equal to 40. 11 times 4 is equal to 44. And 11 fours are equal to 44. And finally we've got 12, and there's 4 of them. So 12 times 4 is equal to 48. Or we can say 12 fours are equal to 48. Great work! You hopefully now understand your 4 times tables. See you in the next lesson. Thank you for watching. Please click like, subscribe, and click the notification bell.